Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make an amazing marmade cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we will start by rimming the glass with beautiful blue sugar. So take a Colin glass, and first press it on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then slowly move it on the sugar to create a beautiful sugar rim. Awesome! If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Now take a mixing glass, and pour all the ingredients. So start by pouring 1½ ounces or 45 milliliters of white rum. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. Lastly pour the same amount of pineapple juice. Now dry shake all the ingredients and keep aside. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now carefully fill the glass with lots of crushed ice. Perfect. After adding crushed ice, pour ½ ounce or 15 milliliters of blue curacao. And then pour the mixture straight into the glass. Lovely. Now top up the glass with fresh coconut water. I will be happy if you make this beautiful marmade cocktail at your next party, and share your experience with me. Perfect. Now slowly stir the cocktail to create a beautiful blue hue at the bottom. Awesome. The mermaid cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a slice of pineapple, and a beautiful pink flower. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.